Experiencing no service or intermittent connectivity on your Lycamobile device can be frustrating. Understanding how Lycamobile works and following systematic troubleshooting steps can resolve most network issues. Lycamobile is a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO. This means they don't own physical network towers, but instead lease network capacity from major carriers. In the US, they use T-Mobile's network. In the UK, they operate on O2's infrastructure. In Australia, they partner with Telstra. Network issues can manifest as no service, weak signal, or intermittent connectivity. These problems often occur during peak hours due to network congestion or can be caused by outdated carrier settings, incorrect APN configuration, or SIM card problems. The first troubleshooting step is to toggle airplane mode. This forces your device to disconnect and reconnect to the network, which can resolve temporary connection issues. Turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off and wait for the network to reconnect. Next, check your SIM card. Power off your device completely, then remove and inspect the SIM card for any visible damage, scratches, or dirt on the gold contacts. Clean the contacts gently with a dry cloth if needed, then reinsert the SIM card properly and power on your device. Verify that your network selection is set to automatic. This ensures your device connects to the strongest available network that Lycamobile has agreements with. Manual selection can sometimes cause connection issues if you're not connected to the correct carrier network. For iPhone users, carrier settings updates are crucial after iOS updates. Go to Settings, then General, then About. If a carrier settings update is available, you'll see a pop-up prompting you to update. This ensures your device has the latest network configuration for Lycamobile. Android users may need to reset network settings if problems persist. Go to Settings, then General Management, then Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. Note that this will reset all Wi-Fi passwords, mobile data settings, and Bluetooth pairings, so you'll need to reconfigure these afterward. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most Lycamobile network issues. If problems persist after trying these solutions, you may need to manually configure APN settings, contact Lycamobile customer support, or request a SIM card replacement. Advanced network configuration and understanding network dynamics can help with more complex issues. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced network configuration can resolve persistent connectivity issues. Manual network band selection allows you to choose optimal frequency bands for your specific location and carrier tower. Voice over LTE or VoLTE enables high-quality voice calls over the 4G network. Proper VoLTE configuration is essential for compatible devices to maintain call quality and prevent dropped calls during data usage. Access point name settings control how your device connects to the mobile network. Incorrect APN configuration is responsible for 68% of network connectivity issues with Lycamobile. Lycamobile's 5G rollout significantly lags behind primary carriers, with coverage limited primarily to metropolitan areas. This coverage map shows the stark difference between 4G and 5G availability across the United States. Network congestion occurs predictably during peak usage hours from 7 to 9 p.m. local time. During these periods, data speeds can decrease by 35 to 40% due to increased network demand. As a mobile virtual network operator, Lycamobile's traffic may be deprioritized during network congestion compared to primary carrier customers. This quality of service prioritization affects data speeds and connection reliability. When advanced troubleshooting fails, contact Lycamobile support. Be prepared for resolution times averaging 24 to 48 hours. Common solutions include APN resets, network mode changes, or SIM card replacement. Advanced network configuration, understanding coverage limitations, and knowing when to contact support are key to resolving persistent Lycamobile connectivity issues. These solutions address the underlying technical challenges of MVNO network operations.